Good morning. My house is a wreck. This is no joke. Like, it's literally a wreck. I don't even know what to say. I have no words for what my house looks like right now, but I can't show you any other rooms yet because I still haven't aired my big makeover. We're in the works, so that is why everything's a mess. I need to get at least this room cleaned. I've been ignoring it. I haven't been making my bed every day. I have extra furniture in here. I have extra furniture in my entryway, in my dining room, in my living room, in my kitchen, on the porch. I have everything everywhere because there's a couple of rooms that we're making some changes to, and you're gonna see that soon. But for right now, I just need to get this done. So let's get started. I am going to show you around a little bit though first before we do get started, just so you get an idea of what I'm working with. Holly's bed is lifted and put up against the wall. This is a little stand that was sitting over by the window, but like I said, we're making some changes. So that love seat is now in here. I think I'm gonna leave it there. I don't know. I feel like changing something, so I just moved that in here. I don't know. It's hard to say right now because it's got a bunch of stuff all over it and the room is not made up. So once it's done, maybe it'll look a little bit different. Like I said, I do need to make the bed. Over here is the chair that was in the living room. I just felt like there was so much furniture in there, and I felt that way for a long time now, so I'm trying to change that a little bit, and I don't know, and there's a lot of stuff going on in a couple of rooms, so I'm just cross-piling everything right now, so it doesn't matter where it sits, it's going to be in the way. Over here, by the door, I have the chair that was in the corner. Yeah, I don't know what to do with that chair. I don't know. It might have to go upstairs. I have no idea right now. In here, yeah, just a mess. Yep, there's another chair I need to find a home for. I need to clean in here, the sink. The laundry, yeah, my laundry has been somewhat ignored, so I need to take care of that. It's just needs a lot of attention in here, I think. So let's get started with that. As usual, I'm starting with laundry. I have a few things that need doing. I don't have a lot, but I feel like if I'm not keeping right on top of it, it can easily get overwhelming and just go beyond where I want it to. So I'm just going to get a load in, fold a load, and once this load is done, I'm going to hang it out on the clothesline.
Let's go find out.
I have to say, making my bed on this day felt really good. It had been a while, a few days anyway, since I had made it. It's just been such a wreck all through our house that I just haven't had the energy to do my bed every day. So, and honestly, with the wreck that surrounds it, we really don't notice. The whole house has become overwhelmingly messy. So
I'll make our bed today, get our room all cleaned up, picked up, and looking a lot better. And I know that's going to give me the boost mentally and emotionally that I really need.
Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold, then things can get rough. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out.
To clean our bathroom, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac bathroom cleaner. It smells great. I think it's kind of like almost like a minty smell, but I love it. It works great, and I'll probably continue to use it, honestly. I've used several different cleaners, and I really like this one. It's from Grove Collaborative, so if it's something that you'd like to try, hop on over to the Grove website. I can leave a link below. It's not a referral link, so I'm not getting anything from it, but you can look over their products. They really do have great products, and I think you'll be impressed with them. If you've been with me for a while, then you know I'm using my E-Cloth window cleaning cloth to do my mirror. I love these cloths. I'd love to know if you've tried them. I will leave a link in my channel box below. Let me know if you have used these cloths. I mean, do you love them as much as I do? They are a game changer for me. This is an area that really just pretty much needed tidying up. I'm always rushing whenever I'm in this area, so things don't get put back completely, or maybe there's something that I found in another spot that goes here somewhere, and I just kind of have a tendency to just throw it on the counter. And that's one thing that some advice I'll give you is take 5 or 10 minutes to just tidy up your areas. It really doesn't take probably even that long for most areas, but you do get that sense of accomplishment, and that's the best part of it. Just run through, set a timer if you'd like, and see how much you can get done in that 10-minute span or 15-minute span. You'd be amazed at how much picking up that you can do.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time.
Okay, so I have the laundry going. I've got the bathroom pretty much cleaned. I need to vacuum and scrub the floor as I do in here also. I use these for something. I'll show you. I don't know if I'll get a chance to do it today, but you will see it in a video. That chair is still in here, and this is still in here as well. I need to clean it out. So I gotta go through everything that's in these baskets, weed them out, and I don't know, find another home for this, I guess.
And my heart's beating fast when it's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough.
I've been hanging on to this little basket stand for quite some time. I've literally had it for years, like probably close to 20 years. I love it, but I think the longer time goes on, the more I'm realizing, yes, sometimes it does take me a while to figure these things out. But I'm learning that it's really just a hiding place It's really just someplace I put things in that really should be in other places. There are homes for the things that are in here. It's just a lazy catch-all, I guess. And so it felt really good to not just clean it out, but to gift it to somebody else who really could use this. Do you have a lazy catch-all spot in your home? I'm going to give you a challenge. This week, if you do have a lazy catch-all spot, clean it out. Get it all cleaned out and give it a new purpose. Maybe it's better suited for something else. Reevaluate it. Check it out, clean it out, and let me know in the comments section below how you did with it. Or better yet, what you did with it. One of my very favorite parts of summer is hanging clothes out on the clothesline. I just love the smell of fresh, line-dried clothes. There is just nothing like it. Especially bed sheets, they're the best. When you climb into your bed at night and you get that smell, oh, it's nature's cologne. And if you've never smelled it, you need to.
Okay, so I'm down to 2 piles. This pile here, along with this, is going to be given away. So I'll set that there. And then this stuff all goes upstairs, believe it or not. My poor craft room is so full at this point, but that's gonna go there. Everything will be pretty much picked up. I've got to get that chair out of here and the rocking chair. Just got to find room for it. But that chair is really heavy, so my husband's going to have to help me with that. But right now I'm going to take these upstairs, and this I'm going to put with my giveaway pile, and then I'm going to vacuum the floor.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line.
Have you ever seen the TV show Stonehouse Revival? It's on DIY. Well, it used to be on DIY, but you can go back and get older episodes. It went through 3 seasons and then they canceled it. That was truly one of my favorite shows, probably was my favorite show on DIY. My husband and I watched it every week, and you need to go see it if you haven't. Well, anyway, the whole point to my story is I watched one of the reruns last night and I realized the floor that they laid was the exact same floor that we have here in our master bathroom. I was thrilled to see that floor in the very same pattern. So I just thought I'd tell you that. If you haven't seen that show, you need to go see it. The homes, they are amazing. It's Jeff Devlin, and he restores old homes from the 1700s and the 1800s And they're beautiful stone houses. They are just gorgeous. And what he does with them is nothing short of amazing. Do you have a favorite show on DIY or HGTV? Let me know in the comment section below.
I have to take my love and write a different story.
Thank you for taking the time to watch my video today, and thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your support. And don't forget, my big reveal is coming up soon. I can't wait for you to see it. It's really looking great. So make sure your notification bells are clicked. And until next time,
I'm on my way. Yeah, yeah. I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. My love will shine.